What's up guys, it's Xenios Charalambous, and today I'm going to show you another amazing recipe video. And I'm actually going to show you a very nice trick that I've learned. I'm going to show you how to make any steak taste delicious. I'm going to show you the secret sauce in a little bit. Now before starting this video, I want you to take a moment and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell under this video to turn on notifications. I upload videos every week about nutrition, about training, and sometimes I do funny stuff like this. Actually, I wanted to check the lighting. Lighting here is really good. Yeah, actually, if we hit 200 likes in this video, I'm going to make every single video topless. All my upcoming videos will be topless, so 200 likes in this video, I'm gonna do it. So anyway, I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm going to start cutting the sweet potatoes, and I'm going to add feta, olive oil, salt on the sweet potatoes. I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. After I'm done with the sweet potatoes, I'm going to show you how to do the steak and of course how to do the sauce, which is the most important part of this video. Also make sure guys that you follow me on Instagram. I upload so many cool things there, post daily stories, what I eat, so it's really cool guys to see you there. And if you comment in any of my posts, I'm going to spam your pictures with likes and comments, so make sure you do that. Alright guys, so after you cut the sweet potatoes, you need to add olive oil and feta and of course salt for a much better taste. So I'm going to do it right now. Check this out. So what I'm going to do after, I'm going to add it in the oven for 30 minutes and at 220 degrees. Alright guys, we need to continue with the second part of the recipe, which is cooking the steak. This is the easiest part. So the first thing you need to do, you need to add olive oil in the pan. And of course I have the steak. This is a ram steak, organic from Waitrose. So I'm going to add this in. Alright, so right now we basically need to cook the steak for 2 minutes each side, and after we've done with the cooking, we need to make the sauce. That's the third part of the recipe and the most important part. I'm going to do the sauce right now. I'm going to show you the ingredients. So I'm going to use sun-dried tomatoes, tomato puree, lemon thyme, and of course the secret ingredient is the beef pot. I'm going to add everything in the pan while the steak is cooking. So I'm going to show you how to do it while I'm explaining over here. So let's go and do it. Alright guys, here we have it. It's ready. Just looks amazing. Honestly, you should try this recipe. so delicious. I think the sauce is all the money. And for vegetables, I'm also going to add some spinach just for the final touch. Alright guys, here you have it. This is my signature recipe. It's actually my favorite steak recipe to do. It's so delicious. Also the macros are really good, especially if you want to gain weight and you want to use the sweet potatoes that I use. It's a lot of quantity that I've used. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure you give a like, make sure you subscribe. If you are new to my channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's very important. I upload daily stories, daily posts over there about training, nutrition, and also about my life. So it's really good for you to have a look at what I'm doing. And here you have it. If you have any questions, just comment them in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you. See you in the next video. Something is wrong and I need to change it. So I got up to the scale, I lost 3 kilos of muscle mass, and now basically I got my motivation back. I started uploading some old pictures of my physique on my Instagram just to remind myself how I used to look like. And basically right now what I'm going to do, I will